Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on another video review of the Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch, and this time we are going to try to install, okay, the watch face for the smartwatch. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we have already connected our Magic 3 smartwatch to Smartwatch Support App. Okay, and this time we have the UI or the menus of the Smartwatch Support App. Okay, so let's go to watch faces here. Okay, so let's try if we can change it fast. So we have at least several options here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we receive here a notification, as you can see here, okay, from Yahoo. SpaceX to send first Ethereum node to ISS in collaboration with Space Chain. Okay, so it's working. The notification is working for the Magic 3. Okay, going back to the watch face, so we have here several options here. Okay, if you want more watch faces, you can go to more watch face. Okay, it will load several watch faces here, downloadable. So let's try and pick to show you that we successfully changed the watch face here. Okay, so let's go for the analog type. Again, the options here, we have digital, analog watch faces. Okay, so let's try this one. No, let's make it. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, the brighter design. Okay, let's pick. Okay, so you have to download this. So let's downloading the watch face resource. It is automatically uploaded to your smartwatch once you tap on download. Okay, so let's see, that was fast. 93, 94, 95, and that's it. Very fast download of the watch face. I like it. So we already have several watch faces here. Let's add another one. Why don't we go for this one? This is very popular watch face, the astronaut space theme watch face, and as you can see here, simultaneously downloading. Okay, or push it, the app directly push it to your smartwatch. Okay, let's see, very fast. And next one, we're going to test if we can install a custom watch face. We'll see if it will work or not. Okay, downloading. So this one, it takes time. The other one is very light. This one, it is a bit heavy, although very simple design for the watch face. Let's see. Okay, we have downloaded. Okay, so far it works. For additional watch face here, downloading additional watch face. What if we use this one, the watch face 5? We have here the custom watch face. So let's tap on the edit. Okay, so let's change the text color. Okay, Shopee. Okay, we got the notifications again from Shopee. So let's pick this one. Okay, a lighter color. Below the time, let's change it. This, I want the heart rate, the date. Okay, okay, and time position. We set it to below so we can check it. Okay, so we have here, you can change the picture here. Okay, so select. We'll see. So it is still downloaded. Okay, I'll pick for this one. Okay, it's a chip. Okay, so we have here. We'll see if we can use this one. Let's see, laptop motherboard. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so let's see if it will be uploaded to our smartwatch, and tap on save. Okay, switching background. Let's see. I hope this will not fail and it will be fast. Okay, so we have a time and a motherboard as a background. So it is a custom watch face for your Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. So seems like will not be having any issues so far. Hopefully it will be successful, and we'll see in just a few moments. It is loading. 50%. It's being downloaded to our smartwatch. Okay. Again, it's a beautiful small smartwatch. 2.5D tempered glass screen, metal body here with a single physical button for the Kospet Magic 3. Okay, so we're getting closer. 84, 86. Have patience. We'll see it in just a few moments. And we're done. Wow. Amazing. Okay, we have successfully changed the watch face here with our custom watch face feature of the Kospet Magic 3 with no issues at all. Okay, smooth transition as you can see, whether downloading the watch face or installing a custom watch face for the Kospet Magic 3. And plus, we have some demo of the at least some notifications we receive. Okay, nice one. Very beautiful feature for the Kospet Magic 3. So that's your Kospet Magic 3, changing the watch face or downloading watch faces, as well as setting up your custom watch face for the smartwatch with your Kospet Magic 3 and Dafit Support App. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the demo, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Goodbye.